So I just recently got the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and in this video, I'm gonna be unboxing it and reviewing it for you guys. Let's go. My name's Sergio with Serg-Tech. In this channel, I do a lot of reviews and tutorials, so if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos, and let's get on with the video. So here we have the shipment directly from Samsung. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here we have some nice protection to protect the device. Here we have the receipt, and here we have the box. Note 20 Ultra 5G. Here on the side, it just says Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's politely move that to the side. So this one is unlocked by Samsung, and then here we just have some basic information on the back and the IMEI towards the bottom. Let's go ahead and open it. And there we have the beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's go ahead and see what else we have in the box. So it looks like we have the SIM card ejector pin there. We have the terms and conditions, quick start guide. Here we have the fast adaptive wall charger plug, which is fast charging capable up to 25 watts. Looks like we're gonna have a nice little empty box here. Throw that to the side. And then here we're just gonna have the USB Type-C 3.1 cable. And once again, the new Note 20 Ultra does not come with headphones. Now let's go ahead and put these accessories away and get to the star of the show. Alright, so here we have it, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, beautiful looking device. Alright, so I personally like the new design of the Note 20 series. I like how it's more squared off on the top and the bottom, and I prefer this look and feel much better than the rounded edges that the previous Note series brought in the past. It gives it more of a sleek look to it, and it makes the screen even look bigger since it's a flat top here and bottom. The screen looks like it sticks all the way up to the edges of the device. Has a huge 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, and this phone has a 91.7% screen to body ratio, meaning that the screen takes up 91.7% of the entire face of the phone. It has 1440 by 3088 pixel resolution, and that is a 496 pixel per inch density, which is way higher than that of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which has a 458 pixel per inch density. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G does have 120 Hz refresh rate, although it gives you this option at its full HD display resolution, not at its QHD, which functions at 60 Hz refresh rate. Alright, so here towards the bottom of the phone, we're gonna have the stylus pen right here. We're gonna have the loudspeaker right here to the right of it. We have the USB Type-C charger port to connect to your charging and data transfer cables and your headphones. And then we have a small hole here, and this is going to be for your mic input for when you're talking on phone or recording videos. Over here on this side, we're going to have the power button and lock button right here. And then right above it, we're going to have the volume rocker buttons. Over here at the top, we're going to have another small hole. This is the second microphone for the Note 20 Ultra. And then right here, we're also going to have another small hole, and this is for the SIM card ejector tray and for your SD card tray as well. And then over here on this side, we're just gonna have a plain side. Looks like Samsung didn't add anything else to the new Note series. They removed the Bixby button as well, and I think that was a good move because Bixby is something that most people just don't use. And then over here on the back, we're gonna have the new camera layout. I do notice that it does stick out quite a bit, even a lot more than that of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But however, it does have excellent cameras. It's gonna have a 108 megapixel wide camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and its 12 megapixel telephoto camera for your live focus shots. And then over here, we're gonna have your flash, and then right below the LED flash, we're gonna have the laser autofocus sensor, and this is to improve the autofocus on telephoto shots and regular shots as well. And then right here towards the bottom, we're gonna see the Samsung logo, and then some writing towards the bottom with the IMEI of the device. In the US, it brings the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, which the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G also came with. The Note 20 Ultra 5G comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM on all models, and they start at 128 gigabytes of storage all the way up to 512 gigs. And they do come with the micro SD card slot, and the Note 20 does come with expandable storage for a micro SD card, which will insert along with your SIM card on the SIM card and SD card tray up here. Now, the front selfie camera on the Note 20 Ultra is a 10 megapixel camera capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. However, the main cameras are capable of shooting 8K videos at 24 frames per second. And then obviously 4K videos as well at 30 or 60 frames per second if you don't want to go with such a high resolution on your videos. Now, the battery on the Note 20 Ultra is a 4500 mAh lithium ion non-removable battery, and it's fast charging capable up to 25 watts. It has wireless charging. It also has an in-screen fingerprint reader, also reverse wireless charging up to 9 watts, and the Note 20 Ultra 5G is IP68 rated, meaning it's dust proof and water resistant. And one more thing that we definitely can't forget to mention is the new and improved S Pen and the upgrades that it brings now with the new Note 20 Ultra. So the new S Pen now has a better Bluetooth connectivity where you can go farther away from your Note 20 Ultra and press the button here to click photos at farther distances. Also, with the Bluetooth connectivity from your S Pen to your Note 20 Ultra, your S Pen will now function as a remote, and you'll be able to perform more functions with your S Pen to control certain actions on your Note 20 Ultra. This is very useful, especially for the camera feature. You can place your Note 20 Ultra far distances. You can move your S Pen around in different ways and change different features of the camera so that you can take different shots from a distance. Also, with the 120 Hz refresh rate on your Note 20 Ultra, the S Pen will feel more natural, like an actual pen when writing on your screen. And these are just some of the updates for the new S Pens on the Note 20 Ultra. We're going to be uploading a new video pretty soon on all the new features as well. The Note 20 Ultra is available in 3 different colors: Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black, and Mystic White. Alright everyone, let me know if you're an Android fan and if you're thinking about getting the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in the comments down below. That is it for this video, everyone. Go ahead and give it a like if you enjoyed it. And that's it for this one. I'll catch you in the next video. And as always, peace.